Hello, professors. Dan Goodrum with my Sprint 8 update. My demo's kind of crap still, but that's because I kept running into issues while trying to fix it. So I got my GAM working this week. A couple of the issues that I'm having is my B-sphere just for this tank is not centering. It centers for everything else. Like I have these bullets centered around those, centered around the cottage. But yeah, it's just not around the tank. And then another issue I was running into is if I have multiple cottages on the screen, my collision system gets all screwy. And by that I mean if I place a cottage, or if I place multiple cottages, and like I try to run into one of them, sometimes it collides, sometimes it doesn't. I go collide with the other one, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And then also if I shoot a bunch of bullets, it gets all fuzzy. My bullets utilize the recycling and the scene entry, scene exit, so I can shoot a couple of them and it works all right. But then if I shoot a ton, it'll get like real laggy and screwy. So the alarm is what's used. If I go back some more, you can see that the bullets disappear after a short time. That's just an alarm that times them. But yeah, so the collision system has still been trying to work through that. So I was working on getting some other models inputted. I was working on like this big building, and the rotation of it was off, so I ran out of time, and I'm just like, I gotta get this in. So as for that, that's about it. For my Doxygen stuff, I I got some of it done. I got these game objects listed. Going through and talking about some of the code used for these. So like I put code examples for some of the main things that are going to be needed. So I put in how to put in a collision so that it works correctly. So the scene information needed in the scene, and then each of the classes so that they'll collide correctly. The alarm bowl, I put in examples for the alarm bowl. And then, because I misunderstood exactly what we were supposed to be doing, if I on my code, I'd gone through, I started going through like every class, and through the header files, and just putting in comments for everything. So these are just very brief. So those things that are accessible to the user are going to have short, brief descriptions, and then some of them are going to have little code snippets. Like here, I gave an example of how to set an alarm. I haven't gone through everything yet. I made my way through most of the code. But I don't think that's exactly. I think I need to go and fine tune it more with the longer examples within the classes themselves. So like collidable, it doesn't really have anything. I think it's alarmable that it did it. But yeah. So like these have short little snippets. But yeah, I need to go and input a little more detail, I guess. Other than that, that's all I have. Thank you very much.